The cube itself is an incredible canvas. It's an extraordinary resolution. You go this very special path, and so you suddenly land in an immersive room that feels completely new world. The very first attempt we tried was tell a story about being in the mind of a Gaudí. But then we learned that the more we research of his mind, there is a whole new world. It's infinite. Like every building, every design, every object, furniture, texture is a whole new world. And in that between time, we designed a version that where we were able to literally, physically, truly fly in these imaginary tunnels of maybe his mind, maybe his dream, where all these buildings that has a legacy about Gaudí connects each other. And I believe when he was seeing those buildings, those patterns, forms, he maybe have this, all of them somewhere, sometime connected. Maybe they have a story between them. Maybe they have like a relationship when he was non-linearly thinking about all the buildings he achieved. We have a much more precise and purposeful journey that is connecting different buildings together. And I do believe that this will be adding a more excitement and fresh perspective to AI, to Gaudí, to his culture, legacy. Since last year and now, AI is taking over the world. But we were working on this project 3 years ago. We were like thinking about AI and Gaudí 3 years ago. And now the world understanding the power of AI. So it's very inspiring to see that we are on the forefront of new ideas. And also like this is a new era. Digital art, texto casabatio is accepted. It's a form of expression for artists like me, upcoming generations, inspired by computers, algorithms, data. We are finally having a platform to share our ideas. So I'm grateful for myself and also for upcoming generations who will be able to imagine and share the work with the millions of people. I'm very much touched when I read hundreds of comments saying Gaudí would love it if he can see it. So that is an incredible input from the audience that makes all of us very happy and understand that we respect him. We are not going over him. We are co-creating with his spirit, with his ideas and genius. It's a dream. It's a dream in a dream. like there's an art inside and an art inside, and it's just a big honor, deep honor for me and for my team. I mean, it's a very big privilege to be able to connect with millions of people across the world who wants to understand him, and where we innovate new ideas, using the past, now, and future together. So I think it's a co-creation with the building, with Gaudí, with Casabatio, with the team. I think it's the future. It's co-creation.